Superjare 5-shelf industrial bookshelf, open Etagere bookcase with metal frame, rustic bookshelf, storage display shelves, wood grain, vintage brown. Storage purpose, dimensions of the shelf, 47.3 x 12.7 x 70 liters XWXH. The distance between two shelves is 13.7 and the width of the board is 11.3, providing enough space for your items such as ornaments, potted plants, photo frames, books, etc. Keep your room tidy. Metal frame, made of metal frame and MDF boards, not solid wood. Each board can hold up to 70 pounds. 2 crossbars in the back will strengthen the stability of the frame. Extra protection, X-shaped brackets will prevent the shelf from wobble. The bookshelf stands alone. Self-locking cable ties are included. You can secure it to the wall to prevent the shelf from falling down. Plus, the bottom's small feet are adjustable to keep the balance of the bookshelf. Vintage industrial style, the texture of the board is wood grain. Retro style is a good decor for room, kitchen, coffee bar, bookshop, etc. You can display your books, photos, toys, collections or potted plants on the shelf to keep everything in place. Customer support, for better customer experience, we offer a 30-day return. In addition, 24H customer service is available to solve your problems with our industrial bookshelves. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.